Hey, great minds, it's good to have you back. In the lesson before this one, I mentioned that we'll be focusing on WAEC questions pertaining to genetics and heredity from 2011 to 2022. So, over the next 6 minutes, we'll thoroughly explore and analyze WAEC questions from the past 11 years, focusing on genetics and heredity. We'll identify patterns, discuss challenging topics, and develop strategies to tackle even the toughest questions. So let's get started. Here are strictly wide questions on genetics from 2011 to 2022. In 2011, section A, the essay, question 1, we were asked to describe the structure and functions of DNA. 15 marks was allocated to that one. Explain the laws of Mendel and their significance in genetics, the structures and the functions of DNA. 15 marks for that too. So DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid is a double-stranded molecule containing genetic information. Now the structure. DNA has a double-stranded helix structure composed of nucleotides, sugar phosphates, and nitrogenous bases such as adenine, guanine, cytosine, and thymine, and base parents. That is the adenine and the thymines and the guanines and cytosines. Now, functions of the DNA: genetic information storage, replication and transmission of genetic traits, protein synthesis through transcription and translation. In conclusion, DNA's unique structure enables its vital functions in storing and transmitting genetic information. Question 2. Explain the laws of Mendel and their significance in genetics. You see, Gregor Mendel's law of inheritance describes how traits are passed on from parents to offspring. Law of segregation. It says that each base pair of the alleles separates during gamete formation, explains dominance and recessiveness. Now, law of independent assortment says alleles for different traits sort independently, and it also explains genetic variation. Now, law of dominance. Dominant alleles mask recessive traits. Some of the significance are it predicts inheritance patterns, explains genetic variation and diversity. It's a basis for modern genetics and breeding programs. Mendel's laws form the foundation of genetics, enabling us to understand and predict inheritance pattern. Section B, objective. Question 1. Which of the following is a characteristic of DNA? Option A, double-stranded. Option B, single-stranded. Option C, circular. Option D, linear. Option A, double-stranded, is the correct answer. We see DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, is characterized by its double-stranded helix structure consisting of nucleotides twisting together. This question requires knowledge of DNA structure and ability to distinguish correct and incorrect options, and also an understanding of basic molecular biological concept. Good luck crushing it. See you in subsequent classes.